Alright, American Auto Wire, let's see. Looks good, looks good. Alright, let's start off with our papers. We'll get to that in a bit. Okay. Telling you where to start. Make sure you disconnect your battery. Alright, recommended tools. Alright, that's pretty much the schematic laid out. Alright, let's see what else we got. Man, it's a good quality harness. Bag of fuses. Oh wow, I really like that they loomed these wires already. Oh man, their other kits doesn't have that. Ah, that's a plus. Headlight switch, yeah. Man, I'm never disappointed with these guys. Alright, under my lights, dash, courtesy lights. Alright, various applications. Okay, so my VSS wire. What do we got here? We got our ignition switch. Instrument cluster. Alright, man, it's pretty simple. I like that everything's boxed up already. Alright, our engine kit. What does that say? Starter solenoid. Alright. Alternator wires, oil wires. Rear body harness. Man, this is going to be fun. Front light kit. Oh, okay, that's coming out of the dash underneath, going into the firewall, out of the firewall. This is the big beauty right here. Look, underneath the dash right there. Firewall kit. There we go, baby. Got it all there. This is for alternator. Fuse block kit. Yep. I'm gonna LS it anyways. Looks good, man. Looks really good. Oh, look, they put a floor switch in here. There we go. All right. All right, guys, let me know.